So hello everyone, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Mathematics with Hunar. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 question number 2. In the previous video I have given you two questions to try yourself, but still no one answered. I am eagerly waiting for your answers, so please try next time. Now I am discussing with you the two questions. First one is polynomial x is given to you ax square plus bx plus c as it is the standard form, and alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, and you have to find alpha square plus beta square. Now the sum is minus b by a, alpha plus beta equals minus b by a, and product is c by a. Alpha square plus beta square, it is identity, so when you will open it, it will come alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta square, if you open this identity, then it will come alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and we have written minus 2 alpha beta with it, so minus 2 alpha beta. It will cut and the answer will remain alpha square plus beta square. So it is your identity. Alpha plus beta we have done, that it is minus b by a, and its square minus 2 into alpha beta, that is product of zeros. Product of zeros we know that is c by a, that is constant term, divide coefficient of x square. So it is c by a. Now we will simply solve it. Minus b square equals b square, and minus will become plus. In the square quantity, minus will come plus, and a square minus 2c by a. Now we will simply take its LCM as a square. After that, a square it will divide 1, b square into 1 b square, minus a square divide a, that will a, 2c minus into a, that will be minus 2ac. So it will be your answer, that is b square minus 2ac by a square. Now second question is, given 0 is 3 and you have to find k in polynomial x, k minus 1x square plus kx plus 1. It is your quadratic polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. It means when we put x equals 3, then the polynomial will become 0. Now x we will put 3, k minus 1 x 3 square plus k into x, that is 3 plus 1. Now this 3 will make the polynomial 0 because it is the 0 of this polynomial. So we will put polynomial 0 equals k minus 1. Now you have to just simply multiply and solve it. 3 square 9 plus 3k plus 1. Now 9k minus 9 plus 3k plus 1. 0 equals, we will collect the quantities, 9 plus 3 12k and minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Now we will take the minus 8 equal to left side, the sign will change, it will become positive. Plus 8 equal 12k. Now we will, it is in multiply, 12 into k, it is in multiply. Now we will take 12 in the down side, it means in divide side of 8. 8 upon 12, we will cut or divide it on 4 table, that is 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So k will be 2 by 3. These were the two questions which were given in the previous video. Now let's discuss exercise 2.2 question number 2. It is very simple question as I am discussed with you in the introduction part also. Find quadratic polynomial in which sum is given to you 1 by 4 and product is given to you minus 1. The formula for calculating its general term for writing is k. K is any constant, x square minus sx plus p. X square, now you have just simply put the values of sum and product. Sum equals 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4, minus will remain as it is. Product minus 1 given, so minus 1 you will write. Now we will take its LCM. As we never leave the sum in the LCM form, it means in the fraction form, you have to reach in its whole number. Now we will take LCM 4. 4x स्क्वायर, 4 से 4 कट जाएगा एंड माइनस एक्स. नाउ 1 into 4 4, 1 divide 4 4 and 4 into 1 4. Now k by 4. Now we will take 4 outside. We put k as constant. K is equals to any constant. Let k is equals to 4. कि हमारा k जो है वो 4 है. By this we will write it 4 by 4. It will cancel out and our polynomial will be 4x square minus x minus 4. Or you can directly write after this step, you can directly write this because k is any constant और हम k को वही लिखते हैं जो हमारा डिवाइड में होता है. हमारी चॉइस होती है हम k को क्या लिखें. सो हमें वही लिखना होता है जो डिवाइड में होता है ताकि ये कैंसिल हो जाए. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट, √2 is the sum and 1/3 is the product. So your quadratic polynomial as same k x square minus sx plus p. K is constant, x square will remain x square minus sum is your √2, sum is given to you √2 x plus product is given to you 1/3. So it is 1/3. Now we will take LCM. From LCM we will get 3x square minus 3√2x plus 1. Now k by 3 we will take 3 outside and this will be our quadratic polynomial. We will put k as constant and from there we simply just write this 3x square minus 3√2x plus 1. It is our quadratic polynomial. It is our quadratic polynomial. We can skip that step that we will put k equal 3 then 3 by 3. We can skip it. Now third and fourth part are simply in the whole number. These are not in fractions. So it's very easy. Sum is given to you 0 and product is given to you √5. So quadratic polynomial will be k x square minus sx plus p. Sum will be given to you 0 and product is √5. K is any constant, x square plus √5. Now in this case k will be equal to 1. That's why 1 into x square and 1 into √5. Similarly, sum in the next part, sum is given to you 1 and product 1. You will just put it and this is your quadratic polynomial. In this also k will be 1. When you will multiply it with 1, it will no effect. When you multiply 1 with x square minus x plus 1, it will remain same, that is x square minus x plus 1. Now look at the fifth part. Fifth part is, it is in fraction. Minus 1/4, 1/4. Minus 1/4 is your sum and 1/4 is your product. Sum is alpha plus beta equals given to you minus 1/4 and product is given to you 1/4. It is product. That is alpha into beta. Now we will just simply put the values minus sx. So जो माइनस आपका sx के साथ है वो आप अलग रखेंगे and if the sum is already given in minus form then you will put it in brackets plus 1/4. Product is in plus 1/4. Now x square minus minus will become plus 1/4 x plus 1/4. Now we will take LCM and we will get 4x square plus x plus 1 and k is 4. So 4/4 will come 1. You can skip this step and simply write this is our quadratic पॉलिनोमियल. ये हमारा क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल होगा एंड जब हम इसकी जीरोस निकालेंगे तो वो आपकी वही आएंगी जब आप इसकी मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करके इसकी जीरोस निकालेंगे. नाउ लुक एट द सिक्स्थ पार्ट. सिक्स्थ पार्ट वेरी सिंपल. 4 इज योर सम एंड 1 इज योर प्रोडक्ट. k x square minus sx plus p. k is constant, x square, sum is given to you 4 and minus as it is, x as it is plus product is given to you 1. So the quadratic polynomial will be x square minus 4x plus 1 and k is 1. k आपका क्या होगा 1. It remains constant. Now like in the previous video I have given you 2 questions now. So today I am also giving you 2 questions and I hope that this time you will try and send me answers in the comment section. So these are your 2 questions based on question number 2 and I think that you must try so that your maths will become super duper hit and you will score a best marks in the boards. So I wish कि आप try करेंगे. First question में आपको zeros given है 3 plus √5/5 and 3 minus √5/5. Firstly you will find its sum and product. Then you will write a quadratic polynomial. And in second you are given sum and product. Sum is root 3 and product is 1 by root 3. From that you will write a quadratic polynomial. So I hope you will try. It is all for today. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any query related to the sums or any question. If you have any query, you can freely comment in the comment section. Please share with your all friends, nearby dear. Thank you.